Thank you for downloading the Virtual Estimator software free trial. Once downloaded, double-click on the installer icon, and you may or may not receive an error message from your virus protection or Windows Defender. Simply go through the process to run anyway. You'll be asked if you want to allow this app to make changes. Answer is yes. And then you'll be asked which installation type. The Australia-New Zealand installation type is for metric and also the popular items for that area. The US Canada installation provides items which are popular to the North American market. So choose your installation and click Next. Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? I would suggest yes, and click OK, and then install. Very quickly, the installation process will start and complete, and you simply click Finish. Your desktop icon will appear and the software will load. While the software is loading, you'll be asked from the About box that appears to put in the license key provided in the email for your 30-day free trial. Once you've done that, simply click Activate. The software will then activate and you'll have your 30 days remaining for your Virtual Estimator software. Simply click Close and the software will appear. You can now start using your software for 30 days and you'll find that it is already set up. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us on the chat app on our website.